Hello and welcome. Today we are going to factorize trinomials where the product is negative. Okay, so we start with the question. Factorize x squared plus 9x minus 36. So here the product is minus 36 and your sum is coefficient of x, which is 9. Okay, see, whenever you see a negative sign in the last one, of course it's negative sign. I'm going to just write only 36. The first thing I'm going to do is find factors of 36. Let me find the factors of 36. See, always go in this order so that you don't miss out anything. So 1 and 36. It's divisible by 2, so it's 2 and 18. 3 goes into 36, 12 times. And then 4 times 9 is 36. And then 5 doesn't go in 36. Let us try 6. And 6 goes into 6. So these are the factors of 36. Okay, first we have to find the factors of 36. The next thing we are going to do is the product is minus 36. What it means is, I prefer this method. If you have some other method, if it works, go for it. If the product is minus 36, what I'll do is choose two numbers, multiply to give 36 and the difference of 9. Even though it says 9, I just go the difference of 9. So this is easy. We don't need to worry about the sign. I don't need to put minus here as well. I don't need to put minus here. Just keep 36. So now what I'm going to follow this is choose two numbers, multiply to give you 36 and the difference of 9. So when I put the difference here for each of them, when I put the difference, here, which is 35, the difference means bigger number minus smaller number. 18 take away 2, which is 16. 12 take away 3, which is 9. And then 9 take away 5, 9 take away 4, which is 5. 6, this is 0. So now we go back, choose two numbers, multiply to give you 36 and the difference of 9, which means in our case, the difference, that part comes in this slot. So this pair gives the difference of 9. Okay, this pair gives you the difference of 9. So that means I'm going to use those two, 3 and 12. However, now the next thing I have to do is, when I look at the sum, that the first one, that this has the plus sign. That means the bigger number carries this sign. See, out of the 3 and 12, the bigger number is 12. So bigger number carries plus sign. Obviously, this becomes minus. So that means your factors are going to be something like this. So you have question x squared plus 9x minus 36 equal to, you're going to put double bracket, x and x first, and the numbers are going to be 12 and 3. Then the sign I have to do, the bigger number carries this sign, which is plus sign. The bigger number carries this sign. So that means I'm going to put plus 12. The other one should be obviously minus 2. Only then plus 12 times minus 3 gives you minus 36. Okay, let us do another question. Now again, when you look at example B, we are still doing factorizing. We are factorizing x squared minus 5x minus 5. As I told you, the product is, even though it's minus 5, I'm just going to write product is minus 5 and sum is minus 4. Okay, if I have a negative number, the rule is if we have the product as a negative number, I'm just going to write first 5. I can put the minus later. Just put first 5. When I put 5, I'm just going to put 5. Now the factors are only one pair. It's quite easy in this question. The pair is only one pair. No other factors. Now I'm going to see the difference. Now the difference is 4. The difference is 4. So now I'm going to write minus 5 next line. And then I have to choose the sign. Choose the sign. Now I told you 1 and 5, the bigger number is 5. Now go to the x component, which is this. The sign is negative. So the bigger number carries this sign, which means the 5 is, this is going to be minus. Obviously the other row is going to be plus. So therefore x square minus 4x minus 5 can be factorized as, first you put the double bracket, then you put the x for both. Then we know the numbers are going to be 5 and 1, because 1 times 5 gives 5. Then we have to decide the sign. I told you the bigger number carries this sign. The bigger number carries this sign. Therefore, this is 5 is minus 5. This is plus 1. Okay. Here again, I think I should have written something like this. That makes your life easier. So we write 36 minus 36 here. We write 12 and 3. But bigger number carries the sign, so that means this is plus 12 or minus 3. Okay.